Eagle Cement ang matibay. Eagle Cement ang matibay.
Ascending the peak, panoramic views mark the boundless possibilities of aspiration. Blended into it the sweat of pioneers. Conquering the summit, the rolling hills below remind one of the great journey, staring in awe at what has been achieved. Welcome to Eagle Cement Corporation. We build the future and are here to conquer the summits of today's urban landscapes and city developments. Our entry comes at a time when demand for cement is very strong on the back of a robust construction industry and with business confidence at an all-time high. In 2008, a 100% Filipino-owned company was born out of the vision and passion of the owner who personally supervised its construction. We hold office at 153 Barangay, Wakwak, EDSA, Mandaluyong City. Our company is a newly set up manufacturing and distribution of cement based in Acli, San Ildefonso, Bulacan, under the brands Eagle Cement Advance and Eagle Cement Strong Chem. We started our commercial operations in July 2010, serving the areas of National Capital Region, NCR, Northern NCR, South NCR, Region 3, Region 3A, Region 3B, and Region 4A. 1.5 million metric tons of cement per year, an equivalent of 42 million bags of cement, is the current capacity of our production facility, one of the most modern in the country. Our company is embarking on expansion with the construction of a new finished grinding mill to increase production capacity to 50 million bags of cement. Because of its abundant mineral resources, production is assured of continuous supply of raw materials for generations to come. Currently, there are 8 loading bays for 40 kilogram bags and 2 loading bays for bulk cement. With the installation of Rotopacker, production output will increase and hasten truck loading time. A waste heat recovery system is underway to improve production efficiency and to reduce greenhouse gas emissions to the atmosphere. We have been issued a Philippine Standard Quality Mark license by the Department of Trade and Industry and have acquired the prestigious ISO 9001-2008 certification of quality management system. Cement and shell processes. Quarrying. 2 types of materials are necessary for the production of cement. One rich in calcium or calcareous materials such as limestone, chalk, etc., and one that is rich in silica or argillaceous materials such as clay. Crushing. The crusher is responsible for the primary size reduction of the quarried materials. Boulders as big as 1 meter are being crushed to material sizes less than 80 millimeters. Pre-blending. The crushed materials pass through an online analyzer to determine the pile composition. A stacker is then used to create different piles of materials and to reduce variation in material beds. Raw grinding and blending. A belt conveyor transports the pre-blended piles into individual bins where a weighing feeder proportions it according to the type of clinker to be produced. The materials are then ground into the desired fineness by the raw mill equipment. The powdered raw meal is then transported into a continuous blending storage silo where variations are further reduced by mixing using aeration. Burning and clinker cooling. The homogenized raw mix is fed into the preheater. Calcination partially takes place in the preheater. Raw meal is fed directly into the preheater to the rotary kiln. The slight angle of inclination and rotation of the kiln causes the raw feed to slowly make its way through the kiln counter current to the burner flame. After the burning section of the kiln, the materials turn into solid nodules known as clinker and discharge into the clinker cooler. Clinkerization occurs between 1350 and 1400 degrees Celsius, wherein fine coal, pulverized by coal milling, is often used as heating fuel. The clinker cooler cools the hot granular mass of clinker by quenching air into it, bringing the temperature down to 100 degrees Celsius. So air becomes hot and clinker cold. This hot air is then utilized as combustion air for the firing system of the kiln. Conveyors transport then the cooled clinker to the clinker storage silo. Finish grinding. From the clinker silo, clinker is transferred to the clinker bin. It passes through the weighing feeder, which regulates its flow in proportion with the additive materials. At this stage, gypsum is added to the clinker and then fed to the finished grinding mills. Cement is now piped to cement silos. Packing and distribution. The cement from the cement silos are packed into bags by rotary packers or loaded as bulk and are distributed either by land using forwarder trucks and bulk trucks or by sea using barges or bulk ships. Corporate social responsibility. We are committed to the conservation of the environment for the achievement of sustainable development. Tree planting sessions are held every month to help reduce the effect of global warming and encourage its employees to be environmentally responsible. Apart from caring for the earth, we are also committed to giving back to the community. We go beyond creating livelihood by tapping the local workforce in Aklan, Bulacan. Eagle Cement Corporation has constructed classrooms for the local high school, established a medical dental clinic for the community, and conducts regular medical and dental missions for the surrounding areas. Road concreting projects were also completed as part of the continuous effort to uplift the lives of the nearby communities in the plant facility. Be part of us as we embark in the constantly growing industry of cement. We are looking for mature and reliable professionals with remarkable credentials who are driven by commitment in delivering results, goal-oriented, dynamic, analytical, proactive, and inclined to work in the manufacturing environment.
Hi, I'm Jensen Abel, Eagle Cement Corporation's Production Manager. And talking about being cadet way back 1992 is not easy. Really, it's hard, but fulfilling in the sense of you're gaining something and learning more in cement manufacturing. Alam mo, the very first time na na-assign ako sa activities is sa kiln. And we're doing activities in the breaking. So, nung time na